DSA Loan Lead Software, DSA Software. Empower your business and maximize growth. Introduction to Loan Lead Management Software, exploring the significance in finance and banking. Introduction to Loan Lead Management Software, enhancing loan processing efficiency. Number 1, streamlined lead management. Efficiently manage leads from initial contact to loan disbursement. Number 2, integrated functionalities. Integration of lead generation, qualification, follow-up, and conversion. Number 3, ensured efficiency and accuracy. Enhances efficiency and accuracy throughout the loan processing pipeline. Lead qualification and scoring, evaluating and prioritizing promising leads. Number 1, criteria-based assessment. The software evaluates lead quality using criteria such as credit score, employment status, income level, and demographic details. Number 2, lead scoring mechanism. Scores are assigned to leads, enabling the sales team to concentrate on high-potential clients. Loan application, from lead generation to loan disbursement. Number 1, automated lead generation. Number 2, lead nurturing process. 3, streamlined application process. Number 4, automated credit assessment. 5, loan approval. Workflow. Number 6, disbursement and monitoring loan processing, from lead generation to loan disbursement. Number 1, lead generation. Initiate the process by capturing potential leads through various channels like digital marketing, referrals, and partnerships. Number 2, lead qualification. Verify lead information, assess creditworthiness, and determine eligibility based on preset criteria. Number 3, application processing. Complete application forms, document submission, credit checks, and collateral evaluation in compliance with regulations. Number 4, underwriting. Conduct a comprehensive financial analysis, risk assessment, and decision-making to approve or reject loan applications. Number 5, loan approval. Formalize loan terms, conditions, and agreements before disbursing the approved loan amount to the borrower. Number 6, loan disbursement transfer funds to the borrower's account, ensuring accurate and secure transaction processing as per the agreed terms. Loan approval. Streamlined process from application to disbursement. Number 1, automated application review. Utilize AI to speed up review process, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Number 2, real-time credit scoring. Instant evaluation of creditworthiness, reducing decision time significantly. Number 3, seamless document verification. Effortlessly verify applicant documents digitally, enhancing operational speed. Number 4, personalized loan offers. Tailored loan options based on applicant profiles for increased customer satisfaction. Number 5, quick loan disbursement. Swift transfer of approved funds post-acceptance, providing a superior customer experience. Loan documentation. Managing loan documentation process efficiently. Number 1, accurate data collection. Gather all necessary information from the applicant, ensuring completeness and correctness. Number 2, verification and validation. Verify the authenticity of the provided documents and validate them against the set criteria. Number 3, compliance check. Ensure all documentation complies with legal and regulatory requirements. Number 4, document segregation. Organize documents into categories for easy retrieval and reference during the loan process. 5, audit trail maintenance. Keep a comprehensive audit trail of all documentation activities for transparency and accountability. Loan disbursement, efficient loan disbursement process for customer satisfaction. Number 1, automation of disbursement. Implement automated disbursement processes to accelerate loan approval and disbursal timelines. Number 2, real-time updates. Provide customers with real-time notifications regarding their loan disbursement status for transparency and engagement. Number 3, enhanced security measures. Incorporate robust security protocols to safeguard customer data and prevent fraudulent activities during disbursement. Number 4, Seamless integration with banking systems. Ensure seamless integration with banking systems to facilitate quick fund transfers upon loan approval. Loan servicing and management, from lead generation to loan disbursement. Number 1. Lead generation. Initiating the process by collecting customer data and identifying potential borrowers. Number 2. Lead qualification. Evaluating leads based on financial credentials and creditworthiness. Number 3. Loan application. Processing. Reviewing and processing loan applications to determine eligibility. Number 4. Underwriting, assessing risks and determining the terms and conditions of the loan. Number 5. Loan approval. Approving qualified applications and finalizing loan terms with borrowers. Number 6. Loan disbursement. Transferring approved funds to borrowers' accounts for loan utilization. Optimizing loan lead management. Enhancing efficiency and accuracy. Contact us for DSA loan lead management software. WebSoftX Software Solutions Private Limited, 98661360, 8440622.